Hi friends, welcome to Rocking Life YouTube channel. This is Karthik here. Today I am going to review a Malayalam movie. The name of the movie is Guru. Guru is a 1997 Indian Malayalam language movie. This was the first Malayalam movie to be sent to Oscars for the best foreign language film category. The complete actor, Mr. Mohanlal, plays the lead role, with other roles played by Suresh Gopi, Nedumudi Venu, Srinivasan, Kaveri, Sitara, and Madhupal. The other big attraction of this fantasy drama is the music by Ilayaraja. The movie is directed by Rajiv Anchal, and the writer of this movie is C.G. Rajendra Babu. Story was by Rajiv. The movie was edited by B. Lenin and V.T. Vijayan. The plot is a fantasy drama. Raghuraman Mohanlal is the son of a priest of Hindu temple in a village. That village with Hindus and Muslims live with harmony. But politicians' interference breaks the village into two. The politicians' plan works out as tensions break out between two communities, leading the religious riots. In this riot, family of Raghuraman is killed. This results him in joining the Hindu extremist gang to take revenge. He enters the Guru's ashram to stay as a refugee. He meets Vaidehi in the ashram, and finally she advises him to meditate. During the spiritual stage of meditation, he just enters the imaginary world. In this world, every individual is blind and taught from their childhood that there is no concept of sighting. In this imaginary world, he finds a friend in Ramanagan, played by Madhupal, and explains him about a world of sight. But they do not believe him and also warns him of not repeating the lies. He also may be killed if he repeats it. He stays with them, finds out the culture and daily activities of people living in the world. He finds that eyes is not required to lead a life, rather than eyesight is not required to lead a life. But everything changes when Raghuraman was forced to eat the seed of a fruit that would kill him as a punishment for climbing a tree and eating the tasty fruit. He loses the eyesight after eating the fruit, but gets back the eyesight after having the seed. He spreads this to the world against the will of the king. King orders the soldiers to arrest him. The people starts to support Raghuraman and starts to fight against the king. But Raghuraman advises the people to be non-violent in the imaginary world. Suddenly he is out of meditation and finds the real world filled with extreme groups assaulting the ashram refugees. He just changes himself into a non-violent and starts to save those irrespective of the religion. One of the imaginations that show you the ways of life that brings you to violence or non-violence. But we need to decide on what we take. The director states that he directed this by the influence of the book The Country of the Blind. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and also like, share and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you again.